What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. When I get 400 horses, I'ma do this. I'ma do that. I'ma do this. When I do this, look at all this heat up here. You got. All right. If you didn't know, now you know. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Wayne, I'm gonna go. Give me your beat. Camaro gang, thank y'all for tuning in. If you didn't know, now you know. What up, YouTube? Y'all know what it is. You know who it is. It's the Central 30 to be exact. If you didn't know, now you know. Thank y'all for tuning in to the channel. Y'all getting me booming, you know what I'm saying? My channel going up from 1K to 6K. Now I'm already at 7K, man. But all it is it's the videos from the shorts. Okay? The shorts is cool, it's getting me my content, it's getting my content up, it's getting my name out there, my algorithms booming. But I need for y'all to do is watch the actual videos and stuff like that also. That's what's gonna get me monetized and keep leveling up today. But anyway, let's not talk about all that. What we got here is a 5.0 versus 2 Camaros. You know who it is. You know how me and little bro do. It's basically little bro rival or whatever. They was 1-1 before this. I ain't gonna get off into too much. So anyway, we ain't gonna talk about it too much. Don't spoil too much. Y'all watch it to the end. Let's go. Tension up or whatever, you know what I'm saying? They 1-1, and this one here, you know, little bro had to go and get a tune or whatever because his shit would fall on his face around gear 4 to 5 or 5 to 6. It's one of them gears where, you know, he had to get a retune or whatever, and he was like, when we get a retune, we gonna run it back. And you know, that's when all the, you know, shit talk came into play. His run, when he actually won, he was like, yeah, man, I had to, you know, learn the car and really show Lil Bro what was up. His confidence up. So he say after he get it in with Lil Bro down there in Mexico, he was like, shoot, man, you can get it in. I'm thinking like, boy. Stunt, boy, that was one hell of a top breaker, wasn't it? Sheesh. run. Then you come around, it's a second run or whatever. You know, since Lil Bro done jumped out on him the first go, he like, man, kind of a little antsy or whatever. Excuse me. So he bought a little antsy, so he jumps out in the second roll. Boom. So I didn't even get that one on tape. Hey, how y'all like that, man? Hey, Lil Bro got his get back, and then when you talk stuff to me with my car, man, I had to. I just had to. I had to do it like that. We only did one run, and that was only because, you know, we end up seeing Mexico federales out there. That we end up seeing the Mexico polices. So we like, all right, well, man, we're gonna end it at one or whatever. Usually we'll do 2 runs and then call it quits after that. We end up doing 1 run or whatever, but hey, boy, man, I damn near hit a wheelie on a fucking 30-40 road, man. I'm like, whoa, I'm talking about, oh yeah, man, I did change my own oil. I end up not messing around with, you know, the dealership. The dealership charged too much for 1, 2. They probably not even putting all of your parts oil in your car in the first place. So they probably cheating you out of oil. That ended up happening at D-Nasty one time. He got an oil change from the dealer and they only put in 6 quarts of oil. Everybody know cars, you know what I'm saying, it's 10 quarts of oil. So that was another thing. I felt my car was performing like extremely well. I ended up getting that Mobile 1 and it got ESP on it or whatever. I got some of that Mobile 1 oil 0W40. Man, the car was just fluent and smooth. Like, it had to do everything with that oil change also. So y'all should just tune in to D-Nasty 314 channel when he get that together. He'll show y'all that race from his. Stay tuned. Thank y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Go check out D-Nasty channel at, I'm gonna put it down at the bottom of the screen here. But anyway, go check out D-Nasty channel, you know what I'm saying? He gonna be up and coming with this YouTube stuff, man. We're gonna do this together. I'm gonna teach him the ropes. And we're gonna boom together, you know what I'm saying? That's all it's about, man. You know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna end up getting monetized. That's all I need, is to get monetized. And for y'all to help me get monetized, I need y'all to watch these videos also. Watch these videos. Now the shorts is getting all the subscribers up, man. And it shot me up to like 7.14 subscribers, whatever. So, hey, appreciate all of that, man. But I'm gonna need y'all to get them watch hours up on these videos here. Watch these videos to the end. Thank y'all for tuning in again. And I'm the Gent and I'm out. Ready?